guys, today we are going to draw a cute girl from Draw So Cute. So let's begin. So to draw a cute girl, we are going to draw a hand and a circle and small hand, and then we do some lines. One more. So her eyes will look good, and then shade inside the circle, but don't shade the small circles or else it will look very bad. Okay, like this, and another one. Okay, and then over here draw her eyelashes. Okay, and then you draw a very cute smile like this. And then over here you just draw it like a cone like this. And then top of it, draw it like this. And then you draw her neck. You draw some, and then you draw a t-shirt. And then you draw some, and then you draw some poofies for that, so it looks cool. And then you draw it, and then you draw a heart over here, and then draw a cute skirt. And then I'm going to color three colors of unicorn. So the first one I'm going to color it in the middle is pink. And next is blue. And then over here, yellow. And then I'm going to color the heart shape in pink, so it will look nice. And then I'm going to color her t-shirt in this color. Okay, and then I'm going to color her face in peach color. So we are going to color her eyes blue. And then we are going to color her face in peach color. First you do it in the side so it does not come out, and then you color it in the middle. And don't color it inside her eyes, so it will look dirty. And then we are going to And then we are going to draw her hands like this, and then we are going to draw her leg. First two standing line in a middle, this one like this one like this, and then draw a hump, okay? So that can become her slippers. And then her hair, just draw it like this. So we are done. And then I'm going to color her slippers in pink. And now I'm going to add each in her hands. And her legs. And then we can color brown color or yellow color. Write in the comment which color will you choose. So I'm going to choose yellow. If you want, you can choose any color from this, but I'm going to choose yellow. So color it neatly, and if you color it neatly, the drawing will become neat. Okay, if you want, you can draw a bow or anything you can draw. So I'm going next. We're going to draw a bow. And then I'm going to color the bow in pink. You can color in any color. Pink and yellow. So now we are ready. So please subscribe. Bye.